Welcome to Sound Journey YouTube channel. The life of a music artist undergoes significant transformation both before and after entering the music industry, reflecting a journey marked by passion, challenges, and personal growth. Before entering music. Prior to entering the music industry, aspiring artists often devote considerable time and effort to developing their musical talents and skills. This phase typically involves 1. Skill development and education. Many musicians start learning their craft at a young age, whether through formal music lessons, self-teaching, or mentorship. They dedicate countless hours to mastering instruments, honing vocal techniques, and studying music theory. This period of education and skill development lays the foundation for their future musical endeavors. 2. Creative exploration. Before entering the professional music scene, artists often experiment with different musical genres, styles, and techniques. This phase allows them to discover their unique musical voice and artistic identity. They may write songs, compose music, and collaborate with fellow musicians to refine their creative abilities. 3. Building a portfolio. Aspiring artists work on building a portfolio of original compositions, demos, or recordings to showcase their talent and potential to industry professionals. This portfolio serves as a testament to their artistic vision and capabilities, helping them attract opportunities for performances, collaborations, or studio sessions. 4. Networking and local performances. Before gaining widespread recognition, musicians engage in networking within their local music community. They perform at small venues, open mic nights, or local festivals to gain exposure, build a fan base, and connect with other musicians, producers, and industry insiders who may influence their career trajectory. After entering music. Once artists enter the music industry, their lives undergo significant changes as they navigate the realities of a professional music career. 1. Career development and promotion. Entering the music industry requires artists to focus on career development and promotion. They may sign with a record label or work as independent artists, collaborating with industry professionals such as managers, agents, and publicists to enhance their visibility and reach broader audiences. 2. Performance and touring. Professional musicians often embark on extensive tours to promote their music and connect with fans worldwide. Touring involves rigorous schedules, travel, and live performances, which provide opportunities to showcase their talent, interact with audiences, and expand their fan base. 3. Navigating industry challenges. The music industry presents numerous challenges, including competition, financial pressures, and artistic expectations. Artists must navigate these challenges with resilience, adaptability, and a strategic approach to sustain long-term success. They may face setbacks such as rejections, critical reviews, or creative blocks, requiring them to persevere and innovate to overcome obstacles. 4. Artistic evolution. As artists gain experience and exposure, their artistic evolution continues to unfold. They may collaborate with renowned musicians, experiment with new musical styles or genres, and evolve creatively to stay relevant and authentic in an ever-changing industry. This ongoing growth allows artists to refine their craft, explore new creative avenues, and deepen their connection with audiences. Overall, the journey of a music artist before and after entering the music industry is characterized by dedication, perseverance, and transformation. While the early stages focus on skill development, creative exploration, and local networking, the professional phase centers on career development, performance, industry navigation, and artistic evolution. Through these phases, music artists embark on a dynamic and rewarding journey that shapes their identity, career trajectory, and impact on the global music landscape. Thank you for joining us on this sound journey. Here at Sound Journey, we're dedicated to nurturing your growth as an artist, helping you explore new musical horizons. and empowering your personal development. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with our community of artists committed to evolving their craft. Let's continue this journey together, discovering the rhythms of creativity and the melodies of self-expression. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep shining your unique musical light. See you on the next sound journey.